Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Pink Cadillac by Bruce Springsteen. It's a great song for beginners. It's got like a blues chug to it, and it's proof that a good song doesn't have to be really complicated. So if this helps you out, like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to play it, all right? So to start with, we're going to do basically a bar E chord. And you can just kind of do this, I call it chugging, okay? And it's just like a lot of blues music. It's got so it's going to go between that. And you're going to move everything down one string and do it on an A. And an A, you're just going to bar basically the bottom four strings here. Take your second finger and push down and pull off on that third fret. So it goes. Okay, to begin with, you're going to do this 8 times. There's an intro, and it's just this part with the E chord. It's going to go. That's the intro. In the beginning comes a verse section, and it's going to start all over. You're going to do it 8 more times. Then you're going to move down to that A, where you're going to move everything down one fret here. So you're going to be on one string, but you're still on the second fret. You do that 8 times. That being once right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more times. Then it's going to move to this, the B section, I guess. And that's just going to be the second fret of the A string and the 4th fret of the A string. And you're going to do the same, put it down and pull it off move, but you're just going to do this one string and mute it with your right hand like this. And then you're going to go back to the E. So it goes. And I made that short. I only did it 4 times on each chord. So then from there, you're going to go to this chorus section, which is a lot like it. It's just a little bit different. You're going to do the E chord again 8 more times. Move up to the A again, down one string. 8 more times. But instead of jumping up to the E, you're just going to go right to this part, this B part. But you're only going to do it 4 times, and then you're going to go back to the E. So that part goes like this. Moves into that, and it does it twice. So this is a really good song for a beginner to learn. You can play it with basically 2 fingers, 3 fingers, to 2 fingers at a time. So like I said, Bruce Springsteen proves it. You can make great songs. They don't have to be hard to play. They don't have to be complicated at all. And anybody can learn this song, I think, very quickly. So hopefully this helps you. And if it does, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.